Okay guys, so before we release our map, we're going to need some screenshots of the map to post on the website and for the Steam Workshop. So to open a map from your main menu, open up the console, type in map, and then the name of your map, Bhop tutorial for us. I don't know why it's reconnecting there, but it seems to work in the end. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is type in svcheats1, cl draw HUD 0, draw view model 0, and I got to turn off my netgraph. I forgot the command, netgraph 0. Cool. So now you can see that our screen is completely blank. We can type in no clip now, start flying around the map and take some screenshots. So really it's just this process of, I'll get teleported here if I go too close. Just find some nice angles, hit F12 on your keyboard, that takes a screenshot. I mean, you probably should have done this, but go to your options and pump the settings all the way up. We'll just take some shots of the more interesting parts of the level, not that there's many. Yeah, you can see that's looking a bit dodgy. We'll just go down here, can't see it, it's all good. Let's take a few shots. Oh, that looks terrible. Oh well. Should have tested it better, but we're just going fast here, so it's all good. You guys will have to put more polish into your map. I'm just really have to get this tutorial finished. Nice shadows. Lighting looks good here. Great. Now we can just exit the game. Okay, so if you go to show on disk, once you're done taking your screenshots, it'll come up with this file. We can just grab these, Control C or Control X, and chuck them somewhere more appropriate. SDK content, for now we can just chuck them here. Good, and then we have all our in-game screenshots. Okay guys, we're ready to publish our map to the workshop. So we're just going to open up the console here and type in workshop_publish. Hit enter. Go to the drop down menu, select map. We're going to add, and we're going to call this bhop_tutorial. In the title, description, you can say whatever you want. So I'm going to say a quick map made for the YouTube Bhop tutorial series. Then I'll just chuck a link to that. Maybe, sorry, give me a sec here. Got to plug my stuff. Cool. Learn to make your own Bhop maps. Game type, custom, BSB file, browse, CSGO, maps, Bhop tutorial, or the name of your map, preview image. Let's find where we put those. I forgot where I put them. Oh, here we go. Screenshot. I forgot which one's good. Let me open up my file here. Yeah, that's 5.7. Yeah, that'll do. Yep, cool. I have read and agree. And preview image, CSGO workshop, browse, everything's there. Let's hit publish. Saying that Valve has total control of all the content we produce. Excellent, guys, and now that map will show up under your workshop profile. Okay, guys, you can see that that's come up here now. So we have Bhop tutorial, yay! And here's my description with my link to my YouTube channel. Now, when most servers get their maps from Game Banana, not the workshop, so we'll also have to upload there. So just type in Game Banana. If you haven't created an account, then create one. And then we have to go add up here, top right, find a game, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, mods section, it's going to be a map. Okay, I thought I already logged in, let's try that again. I'm not a robot. Sorry about that. Let's try again. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Oh my gosh. Add. Find a game. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Good. Map. Okay, so you got to, there's 6, 7, 8, 9 things we're required to enter here. So map title, bhop_tutorial. Requires a description. I'm going to grab that YouTube link again. Where's that third one? Category, map select, bunny hop. Cool. Ownership. Do you create this map? Yes. Did you port this map? No. Key authors. Oops. Media. We need the screenshots. So go to where we put our screenshots. Select all of them, sure. And we need the actual file size. So before we can upload this, we can't upload the straight BSB, unfortunately, so we'll have to go to our CSGO maps, find our Bhop tutorial, or whatever you called it. Here it is, Bhop tutorial. Right click, add to archive. Again, you'll need a WinRAR for this. Cool, and then we have the zip file of Bhop tutorial. I'm just going to put that on my desktop quickly. Select file, desktop, Bhop_tutorial. And one more technical. What do I have to put here? Now we have to add some things. Yes, it's got custom textures. It's final state. Default size is medium, outdoor, daytime. You don't need to add all of these, just a couple. Attributes required, so at least one attribute, but you know. Cool, that's enough from us. Upload complete, ownership, yep. Boom, 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 let's submit. It'll tell us if we missed anything. Awesome, so Bhop tutorial is now also on Game Banana. So again, we have it on Workshop and Game Banana. Guys, congratulations, you finished! Alright guys, that concludes the tutorial. Hope you had fun. It's a long tutorial, 2 hours. If you made it all the way through, then congratulations. Not many people will be able to do that. And get out there, start making some maps. Send me your maps. Post your maps in the comments. I'd love to see some. I'll play test them myself even. And if there's anything else you want to learn about Hammer or making maps, just let me know as well, and I'll see if I can do anything about that.